This is just the loveliest slice of Greenwich history, the old post office in Dartmouth Row. What an incredible location, just opposite the Heath. The station and DLR are just round the corner. This is Georgian Grade 2 listed. It was the main sorting office for Eltham and Lewisham and surrounding areas in the 1830s, and was a post office until 1977 when it was converted to residential use. But a really, really lovely space. Double aspect windows, so nice and bright. I love the privacy glass. Each of the windows on the ground floor have got these great window shutters. Bespoke radiators, solid wood flooring, lovely electric fire. The wall panelling's a really nice feature. I love this coat hanging area. And of course there's a very nice kitchen. Before we go upstairs, I'll just show you this. This is a trap door to the cellar. We'll save that till the end, but a very, very handy space indeed. Upstairs is very, very nice indeed. Greenwich Main Line station, I'm saying, is probably about a 15-minute walk. Eltham DLR is about a 10 minutes walk, and Lewisham station, which is zone 2 with the DLR to Whiskey to Canary Wharf, is about a 10 minutes walk as well. That gets you to London Bridge, Charing Cross and Victoria in about 10 minutes. Lovely bedroom, built-in wardrobes. And have a look at this. So there's another bedroom through here. It's just so lovely that the clients have taken the trouble to stage the property. It's looking absolutely fabulous, and I hope we're doing it justice. A very, very nice bathroom. And maybe if you draw back, Tony, just to capture off this landing, the light really is streaming in to every room and every space, with maybe the exception of the basement, which I'll show you now. So we weren't quite sure how we were going to do this, but I'll leave the sliders. So maybe we can start here. The basement. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but a very, very handy space indeed. But I think maybe we'll finish upstairs. So there you go, the old post office, Dartmouth Row, available through my Greenwich office. Come and have a look at it. It is the most fabulous historic building. And while you're here, please take the time to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't already subscribed. Thank you very much. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. See you next time.